All right, this is a demonstration of the remote-controlled potentiometer as bought from eBay. All right, and you'll see that I have a probe stuck in there. This is for a meter. We want to check some voltages on this. All right, it's connected to a power supply that's at 9 volt, and right now it's off. So the first thing we will do is turn the power supply on, and of course the remote volume goes straight to 0, as it's supposed to, and comes right back up just a little bit. Okay, that's exactly what it's supposed to do when the power is applied. Now, at the same time, when this power is on, there's supposed to be some voltage that you see an on-off terminal there. All right, there's supposed to be voltage there to actually turn on a remote device. But as we check the terminal here, all right, and we check the meter, there is nothing there. Okay, now when we trace the line back, it goes underneath this capacitor, comes straight up here to a transistor right up in here. This transistor, and we will give you a view of it inside a magnifying glass so you can see exactly what it is. All right, and here the transistor is. Now let's see if we can get that thing. There it is, the S8050 transistor. It's an NPN transistor. It's a surface mount device. And we checked back there. The terminal here is the collector, and here at the base, all right, on the right hand side of that, on the right hand terminal of it is the base. And we do have some voltage there, and it's about 3 volts, about 1.5 volts, not even that. But we do have some voltage there, and some current to supply that with, and that's supposed to be a turn on. So there's nothing there coming through the collector. So, and when we turn this thing off, all right, and you'll see the light, the LED blink when it turns off. Okay, it blinked, it turned off, and at the same time, you'll see that you see the flashing there. That's when I'm pressing the up and down buttons for the volume, and it does not work because it says it's off, so it's supposed to be off. All right, and at the same time, we check the voltage there. All right, at the base of the transistor, and again, there's no voltage there. That's supposed to be right. Okay, turning it back on. All right, turn it back on, and you'll see the light blink. And it blinked. Okay. Now, oddly, because it turned on, it did not go back to 0. But that's only when you apply and disconnect actual power to the unit. So the unit does work there with the up and down. And again, checking the base of the transistor again. All right. And the voltage is there, but there's nothing going through it. So this unit pretty much works for what it's supposed to work for. Unfortunately, that transistor there will have to be replaced in order to make this thing totally functional.